Hello, Aquarius people. From May 16th to 31st, 2025, the stars are lighting up your zones of finances, values, and personal growth. Let's dive into how you can make the most of this innovative yet grounding energy. This period encourages you to focus on stability and self-worth. Uranus, your ruling planet, inspires fresh approaches to managing resources or pursuing income opportunities. Around May 18th to 20th, Mercury aligns with Jupiter, sparking clarity and luck in financial decisions or creative ventures. Trust your instincts. Opportunities may come through unconventional means. Mid-month also highlights your need for emotional balance. Take time to nurture yourself and reflect on what truly matters. If single, romance could bloom unexpectedly, driven by intellectual connection. Couples should prioritize honesty and shared goals to deepen their bond. As May 25th approaches, Mars energizes your communication sector. Speak up confidently about your ideas and needs. It's a great time for collaborations or learning something new. Avoid overthinking. Trust your natural curiosity. Between May 27th and 31st, Saturn squares Uranus, challenging routines versus change. Embrace innovation but stay grounded in your values. Your adaptability will help you navigate any shifts. Remember, Aquarius, your uniqueness is your strength. Use it to create meaningful progress while staying true to yourself. Balance independence with connection. The universe supports your journey toward empowerment and reinvention. Stay open to growth. You've got this, Aquarius.